Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR connection closed error on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now, in most probability, it is related to the server of the website. Now, let's say that the website is Reddit. So you'll search for Reddit server status and hit enter and check the status of Reddit. Okay. Now, once you have ascertained that the issue is not with the server, then I will suggest one solution, that is network reset. Unlike other websites and channels, I wouldn't suggest you to go the longer way, because one solution will reset the WinSock, flush the DNS, etc. all in one. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Now select network reset and then select reset and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.